Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on iPhone with a controller. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, put your gaming controller into its pairing mode, usually by holding a specific button. Once it appears in your iPhone's Bluetooth device list, simply tap to connect. This initial setup is quick, getting you ready to game in just a few moments. You'll see a confirmation once the connection is successful, indicating you're good to go. Now that your controller is connected, launch the eFootball application on your iPhone. Once the game loads, head into the main menu and find the Settings option. Look for a section dedicated to controller or gamepad settings. Here, you can customize button layouts, sensitivity, and other preferences to enhance your gameplay experience. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings for optimal comfort and control, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming session. With your controller configured, it's time to hit the pitch. Start with some practice matches or the training mode to get a feel for the controls. Focus on mastering basic movements, passing, and shooting before moving to more complex maneuvers. The physical buttons offer much greater precision than touch controls, giving you an edge in both defense and offense. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your playstyle and dominate your opponents. If you encounter any issues, try disconnecting and then reconnecting your controller via Bluetooth. Also, make sure your eFootball application is fully updated to its latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Sometimes, simply restarting your iPhone can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced eFootball experience with the precision and comfort of a physical controller.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.